Hey everyone, it's Angela from Cake Angel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cranberry granola bars. And for this we're going to start with 350 grams of rolled oats in a large mixing bowl. We're going to add 40 grams of whole wheat flour and 50 grams of toasted coconut. Next we're going to add in 65 grams of brown sugar, 150 grams of craisins, but you could use other dried fruit if you prefer. And to cut down on the sweetness, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. So we're going to stir this together to combine it and make sure everything is evenly distributed. You want to break up any bits of the brown sugar as well. And now we're going to mix our wet ingredients. So we have half a cup of canola oil, and we're going to add half a cup of honey. This is going to help bind it together. Next we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then we're going to whisk everything together to combine. So next we're going to pour the wet mix over the dry ingredients. You want to make sure you get all of those last bits out of the bowl. And then we're just going to go ahead and stir everything to combine. Now this comes together really quickly. You can use a spatula for this as well if you prefer. Okay, and there we go, everything is nicely combined. So the next thing we're going to do is get our 9x13 baking sheet, which we've lined with parchment paper, and we're going to pour the granola on top. We're going to shape it and flatten it, so you want it to be a rectangle, roughly about 1 inch thick, as you can see here. Just straighten up the edges as well. And there we go, we're going to bake it for 40 minutes at 330 degrees, and this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. So you can see it's nicely toasted and browned a little bit as well. The inch thickness means that it won't be too dry, still be nice and chewy in the center. And once it's fully cooled, you can go ahead and cut it up into portions. And there we go, there's our finished cranberry granola bars. Hope you've enjoyed this bake along. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.